Alright, boys and girls, welcome back here. We're on, where are we? Planet Poketaru, because, I noticed there's one mission we haven't done here, navigate the sewers. So, yeah, we're gonna check out the sewers here, see what we can find. Am I still, like, even recording? Yeah, okay. I spent, like, 8 minutes trying to figure something out. It's to do, like, explore the resort, and then I couldn't even get to the... Whoa, who the hell? Is it a bat? I thought there was an NPC, I'm not gonna... What? Oh, yeah, I forgot about you guys. Get out of here, son. Alright. I spent like a lot of time because one of the missions here. Where do I get my missions? It said check out the resort. And I was like, okay, that's weird. And I was doing it for like a while, and I'm like, there's nothing here. And then it checked it off. I'm like, okay. What is oh wait. Oh wait. What do I do with this thing? Hold on. This isn't one of these, no. No, this is not one of these. It is one of these. Okay, what does that do for me? I got a bunch of water here now. Yeah, there's a whole other planet that we gotta still explore, but I was like, oh, let's just try here first, huh? Chalk up these missions. Wait, what do I do with this now? What? Wait a minute. Am I missing something? What was the point of that? Oh, so, okay, I got you. Alright, let's see, where the... It's another there, so... You gotta be... somewhere. The bottom ones you gotta work with first. Let's do that there. Nope, just there you go. It's so awkward to use these. That there, and then this one there. No, this one's got to go to there, or there. Actually, do that one and that one. This one then could then go to that one. Stay put for now. These two can go to the end. That one goes there. Done. Gotti. I don't know why it's having me explore... Oh, now I gotta... Okay, I get you. Now I gotta refill the water. I don't know why it's having me explore down here, though, because I don't think there's anything else on this planet. I'm really hoping it's not just for, like, a golden nut piece or whatever, because I don't really care about those. I gotta say, I do like the jetpack, though. I feel like it speeds things up movement-wise. Especially in areas you've visited before. Alright, fellas, what do we need? We need a little... Oh, shit. I'm trying to... Oh my gosh. This wasn't even the weapon that I wanted. Now I'm all out of it. I was trying to get the Glove of Doom, but I couldn't get it fast enough. I didn't want to die. So what did this do for me now? Now I'm... Oh, okay. Oh, I didn't even have to fight him. I should have just ran up here. Would have saved some ammo and health. Okay. Oh, wrong thing. Give me this. Give me this. There you go. Oh, I gotta fill it up here. What? Wait, what? I'm an idiot. That's just a key thing. I'm so dumb. Alright, alright. Jeez, Lou. Alright, so that's gotta go... Right... Where's this one go? Hold on. Right here. Right? Wait, that one's going to... Yeah, that's gotta go right there. So don't move that one. Move this out of the way here. There you go. Slick. Those, see, those aren't bad puzzles. I like those. Simplistic. Okay, and then I guess I dive again. I'm guessing I'm gonna get another info bot here, or maybe a gadget. I'm really hoping this isn't all just for a golden Hoojamakiti. Oops. Oh, these are... Oh. Well, I mean, it's not that big of a threat because I could just swim away from them. Hold on, fellas. I gotta freaking... Hold on. Oh, boy. I gotta... Hold on, boys. Everybody, hold on. Hold the phone. There we go. Okay. Jeez. Yeah, I think we're good. I don't want to mess with you guys. Where's my key? Damn, there's a lot of puzzles, huh? Alright, so we need... What's this bottom one here? Two together, so the bottom one's where you're gonna start. Actually, no. Well, actually, yeah, you could. Let's put that one there. Sure. We're missing one. Okay. What is this? Oh, okay. I see. So... What about this? That works. There we go. Man, this is just going to be a short little offshoot. And maybe it is. I've been recording. Oh.
Hey, what are you doing here?
I'm searching for a very elusive and secret substance.
Raritanium?
Maybe?
The oceans on this planet are said to be an excellent source of that element.
Well, not anymore. All that toxic dumping has obscured any trace of it. You will find Raritanium for me.
No, I will not.
Piece of junk. My latest invention, the Persuader. I intended to use it to control minds, but, well, the only thing it's got me so far is a discount from Gadgetron vendors.
Ooh.
Hey, I could use that.
Well, I'll trade it for some Raritanium.
I believe planet Hoven is a source of that element.
Our long-range sensors do not detect raritanium on this planet. Our database...
Well... Should I go on a side quest? I feel like that'll help me in the long run, right? Oh, boy. Side quest time? Hold on. Well, let's get to the ship and we'll decide here. Hold on. I mean, a discount from the vendors might save my ass down the road. Oh, I gotta go there anyway. Wait a minute, look at this. Right? I didn't do anything there. Alright, cool. It's like the episode's starting all over again here. Yeah, this has been recording for 20 minutes. I know it hasn't been that long for you guys, though.
That must be the ship that will transport the bomb.
You think? Great work, detective.
Double tap the R1 button to activate hover and hold the L2
Ooh, what?
from side to side.
Oh. Well, that's pretty neat.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Okay, yeah, I gotta get a discount here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This is stupid. What can I use? Where's my, Well, let's just... Does a suck cannon work on it? The suck cannon I like a lot, because it's got no ammo. Oh, it does. This is what we like. What the... Little army men, what the hell is this? Oh my gosh, there's so many of them. Hold the fucking phone. Hold on, I gotta re... Oh my gosh, there's so many of them. Can you guys just hang out there for just a half a second here? There you go, fellas. Have some of that, huh? Did it kill them all? There's still some. Jeez, I need a better... Hold on, I need a better loadout here. What's the, yeah, give me the blaster here. There we go. Damn, those guys suck, and there's a lot of them, too, that come, huh? Oh my gosh. Well, I feel like the first thing I want to do, actually, is over here. If the camera will turn. I don't know why it's going this way. Oh, okay. Just... There we go. Can I just do this? No, you can't. No, you can't. This is not what you can do. Okay. I thought I could have flown over the whole thing. They didn't respawn, did they? Oh, you motherfuckers. Yeah, that wasn't so bad. Still got all my health. Why did it tell me how to hover at the beginning there if I can't go over that water, though? That's interesting. Whoa! Is this just like an endless supply of them, or what? I feel like this could be endless. Or not. I earned a skill point? What does that mean? Wait, what the hell is a skill point? Help? What the hell's a skill point? Is this an RPG? Well... I got a skill point. Who knows what that is? We'll look it up later. Oh, fuck. Damn, those guys suck. I gotta have a better weapon to take them out. Alright, am I going up or left? Let's go up. I feel like this could be just a one little cave thing. Oh my gosh, I'm dead. Oh. Holy shit. Not dead yet. Oh, there's more to this. I thought this was just gonna be a one little area here. Oh boy. Shit. In that case. Alright, let's keep going. We already chose this path. What the hell are you? I thought those were eyeballs. Let's just keep going. Heading on down the road. Let's pick a new weapon, though, because... I don't know about this one, man. I'm gonna throw a little glove of doom down there. That was a waste of a glove of doom. That's alright, though. Where? Okay. I see that. I'm just making sure the area is clear. Alright. Let's get a little sucky action then, huh? Get your flamethrower back on here. Ah, jeez. I thought I could go in there. Alright, I got this now, so where do I put it now? Probably over there, right? Looks like it. Seems too easy so far, and I only got one hit left. I don't know where I'm pulling this water from either. Where do I go? On guard here. Well, I would be if I could see ahead of me. Get the flamethrower. I wish I could... How do you do first person again? There we go. Alright, just making sure. Hello? What's this? What do we got going on here? What is this? Okay, little bomb factory. That's fine. No health anywhere, though? Nah, why would there be health? Well... Oh, good. Okay. Oh, do I have full health now again? That was in my own little opinion, maybe a smart play. A lot of explosives, jeez. I'll take these over the enemies, though, any day. Oh, shit, I spoke way too soon, huh? Getting a lot of money for these. Is that it? Just you two? I could take two of you guys. The problem is when you all hoard up on me here. Ooh. I see health. I'm getting a ton of money. I like this. A lot of health, too, in case I need it. Hey.
Hey, buddy, what's shaking?
Oh my goodness. Aren't you just a little angel?
Actually, I'm a little robot.
You're funny too.
Yeah? Looks aren't everything.
You be nice. I think I got something special for you. How would you like a hydro pack upgrade?
That would be quite helpful for swimming underwater.
Whatever.
2,000? Easy.
There you go, sweetie. You look so handsome.
Thank you, miss. Your craftspersonship is excellent.
If you two are through,
Jealous?
You come back and see me any old time.
Oh.
Your hydro pack will automatically equip when you are swimming. The hydro pack lets you swim against currents.
Nice. Okay. And that was all that was over here, right? So let's go back to the cave entrance, and then we'll go the other way. We are doing great here. Yeah, let's go this way now. Oh, shit. What the? Who shot me? Oh, you bastard. Alright, platforming. This is my bread and butter. We got this. Easy. No death. Here we go. What the hell? Get away from me. Okay. I didn't know I was Oh, no, not this guy. Do I just gotta wait him out? What am I doing? Is this platform gonna rise? Oh, I feel like I'm... Okay, let's go back and reassess, because something I'm missing here. Okay. Okay. Is there a swing shot? There might be. Can I swing shot from anything? Do I gotta, like, maybe I just gotta shoot it down? Where is he? No. I don't know what to do there. So what do I do against this guy? Oh, I do blow him up. Okay, that was way simpler. Okay, cool. Oh, shit. Pardon me, fellas. I gotta switch to a better weapon here. There you go. Oh, shit. Easy does it. No, no, no. I need this. Get him! Oh, get him! Yeah, I got that bastard. Okay. Whew! Okay, go to this again. Oh shit. Is that... Hey, easy! Oh my gosh, I'm fucked. Oh, get the fuck up here. Oh, no. Holy shit. Okay. Okay, this is not what I wanted. No, no. Oh, fuck you. Holy shit. I'm so fucked. I'm fucked. I hear a plane. Where's my Devastator? I heard you. Where are you, plane? Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, please just be platforming. Shit. Uh-oh, 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 I didn't see it, I didn't see it. Oh. Oh, oh. Okay, 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 okay. See, everybody's happy, everybody's good. Everybody's happy, everybody's good. What's over here? Is that a bad guy, actually? What the hell is that? Alright, we're gonna get a Glove of Doom right off the freaking bat, dude. Oh, yeah. Get another one. Alright. That was worth that was worth it. Okay. Any more? Did I miss any? I did. He tried to hide. He tried to get me. Another one? No? I thought I heard another shot. Okay. No health in here, though, huh? That's nice. Special. Really? There's not any health in here. Okay, alright. What's going on out here? What are these? Any health over there? Looks like mines. Alright, I'm not gonna fuck over there then.
We are too late. The ship is leaving.
Hang on. There's an old defense turret over there. Hey, are you thinking what I'm thinking?
I sincerely doubt it.
Oh shit. Oh shit, I'm dead. I should have taken care of this thing first. I did not. Get in there. Hell yeah, dude. Oh yes! Am I invincible in this? I don't even know, man. Let's just focus on one at a time here. Okay. Yeah, dude, we're killing it. I can't be invincible, right? Or else it'd be no incentive to go after these planes coming after me here. The play would just ignore them. Some shooting me? Hey, fuck you. No. Hold on. Hold on. It's kind of hard to aim this thing. Got him. Did I do it? Hell yeah, I did. Oh. Come here, little fella.
Men, you are about to embark on a very dangerous mission. We will be launching a heavily armed surprise attack from our new moon base against a completely unarmed planet. Actually, that doesn't sound too dangerous. Nevertheless, your orders are simple. Destroy anything that moves. Steal the power generators from Gorda City. Then destroy anything that doesn't move. Oh, and don't forget, have fun.
Have fun.
We must get to the moon base and stop Drek.
No, we have to get to the moon base to find Quark. If Drek is there, Quark is probably with him.
But Drek is going to destroy that city. We must get to the base.
That's what I said.
No, that is what I said.
Fine.
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 Oh, you too. Alright, let me see. How's my missions doing? Explore the icy wastes. Alright, let's do that quick, and then we'll call this a day here. How long have I been recording? Oh, it says 42 minutes. Great. Who cares? Mines? Oh, yeah. How do I get to the icy wastes? Alright, we might do this next time then. You know what? I'll make it an executive decision. Join us next time on Assorted Uncles, and we will, I don't know, probably explore the icy wastes. Oh yeah, because we need to get that shit. Oh, how do I get to the icy wastes, though? Huh, because if I just go down, it kills me, right? I'm not sure. How do I get down to the icy wastes? These are icy. Let's look at our little old map here. Oh, question mark, right? That's gotta be. So I'm facing kind of a question mark. So let me just hold on. Well, I'll tell you what. I'll see you guys next time. Hasta la pasta, babies. Oh shit! Wait, is this the icy wastes? Hold on. I might have just found something here. What was that? What did I do? Oh, I gotta hit the buttons. Okay. Three of them, please. I do it. Did something. Did that open this door? Was this door locked before? Oh my gosh, it's so slippery. There we go. Am I supposed to hit that button? I can't... Did it. Ain't I the best? This has to be like the Itzy Depths, right? Oh! That's an instant kill! Okay. Oh, is that it? Oh, I didn't see. Shit, now it is. Oh my gosh. Alright, let's try this again, shall we? Oh, I'm fucked. No, I didn't. Oh, shit. Get out of here. Oh, I hate... Oh, it's so slippery, dude. Oh. Ow. No! I meant to grab the other one. Oh my gosh. Oh, I thought I could jump into it. Alright, hold on. Ready? Why is it not doing it? Oh, that might have been too late. No, it's good. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna get out my suck cannon, I think. Oh my gosh. Everything's so slippery. No! Oh, you're gonna make me do it again. You really suck. Oh, no, it's not. I'm right back here. The game knew. They were like, you know what? Give this guy a break. Alright, oh my gosh. Don't slide off the edge. Okay. Everybody, just stop. Take a breath. Everybody take a breath. You have to be kidding me. I already see what I gotta do. Son of a bitch. Can I? No, I don't think I have any... None of my shoes will help, right? I'm not crazy. Maybe? Fuck it. I don't know, man. Yep. No! Why didn't he grab the edge? Are you kidding me? That's stupid. That's dumb. Okay, we made a oopsie poopsie before, but we'll do good this time. I'm not worried about it. Bingo! Done. Dungeon rings. Holy shit. Hello? Who are you, buddy?
Oh, heck.
Is there a problem, sir?
Y'all wouldn't have any spare parts, would you?
Help yourself.
These dang rocks are too tough. I keep breaking my drill.
That rock is raritanium.
Let me look at that drill.
Well, shoot my dog and call me Sally. Thanks, partner.
No problem. I suppose I could take that rock off your hands, too.
Heck, here you go.
Sweet, that was easier than I thought. Alright, boys and girls, that's gonna be the end here. We did all our missions, right? I think so. Yeah. Oh yeah, we're done. All right, boys and girls. Until next time. Thanks for sticking around for this episode here. We will catch up with you later. So until then, stay cool, stay frosty. Hasta la pasta, babies.